strong that because of the MPs, most of the MPs over there are Muslims. And not only Muslims, they are with the people. So depending on the party they represent. So if they are with NDC, they are strong down there. So you may even be from the other side, but because those people are very strong, you tend to get votes. Now, Dr. Bawumia brought a bit of dynamics within the Zongo. For example, Mamobi, where I am, Yusuf Jaja is our MP.
Yeah.
Before Dr. Bawumia came into the scene, it was not Yusuf Jaja, it was Dr. Mustafa Ahmed. May his soul rest in peace. You
Mm.
realize that when Dr. Bawumia came in into the Zongo, that's 2008 with Dr. The vote started appreciating because
Mm.
people became a bit more attracted to the NPP because of the Bawumia factor. However,
Mm.
whatever you do, NDC will win the seat over there. NPP
Mm.
wouldn't win. But in terms of numbers, the NPP started appreciating in terms of vote. Now, one of the things that the NDC used against NDC was the Nasara coordinator. He was from, you see, Futa. You see, Futa
Mm.
is from Nima. There were certain promises that they made to the Zongos that they
You mean
didn't fulfill.
Abdulaziz Futa?
Oh, yes. Oh, he's from Nima.
Is he Yusuf?
No, no, no,
It's
no. I'm talking
Abdulaziz.
of, yes, I'm talking about the Nasara coordinator.
Constituency.
I'm talking of the Nasara coordinator. He's from Nima.
National.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, he's the
It's
national.
Abdulaziz Futa, the MPP people. Where are you?
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'm talking of the NPP guy.
Yeah,
That's
but you say
Futa.
Yusuf Futa.
No, okay. Maybe probably I
It's
didn't.
Aziz Futa.
Yes, Aziz Futa. He's from Nima. One of the things they used against him was some of the promises they made about building Muslim schools in Nima. And if you take note, Nima doesn't have land. Land was even a bit, if you come to Nima, Nima is more of like a slum. There are not even spaces to build other stuffs. So the NDC
Mm.
capitalized on that and said, oh, I don't want to speak Hausa, but they said in Hausa that they claimed they were going to build schools for you guys. They never built schools for you guys. They said they were going to build. And I think that the people around Dr. Bawumia this time round should let the communicators to do most of the speech. When they air, then Dog will
But
rather
that guy
do.
there, Shan. That guy, Shan.
No, I'm talking about uh, right now. I
The
think that
national coordinator.
no, aside the national coordinator, I'm saying currently, Dr. Bawumia should let Miracles and Co, some of the party communicators, to do most of the speech for him. Because if you watch what NDC did, they used doctor's uh, message, some of the things he said, and they played it over and over and over again. So people would not take what Miracle will say, like whom like and seek, than is coming from Dr. Bawumia. Yes, he may be a spokesperson, but he may not really carry that more weight if it is Dr. Bawumia speaking. So I'm saying that within the Zongos, yes, dog is penetrating through the Zongos. But if you look at what the and NDC has not really developed Zongo that much. Let me be real with you. They've not developed the Zongo that much. But because of butter and bread, you know, sorry to say, they see some of the Zongos to be, oh, let me give them this, let me give them this. So people within the Zongo,
Nah. As for the Zongos, I think one
because of
thing that
loyalty,
is important to a Muslim person is to go to Hajj. That's it. And I think that NDC like does better with that. They give a lot of slots to the Zongo people. Do you understand? But
yeah,
the NPP,
and I think that
one
also
person
with the
can go to
Imam,
one person. I know somebody NPP who was in our constituency every year, 8 years. She goes to Hajj. Instead of you to give the slot to at least 2 or 3 people around you to go, she'll be going like till the 8 years ended. And the people
yeah,
around you are hungry. Why would
yeah,
they
yeah, I
vote?
understand. Yeah, I understand.
You
I understand.
understand?
That's
So
why
your
I'm saying that.
people too were too greedy.
Yeah, and I'm saying that you see, the zone where there are so many factors that plays over there. I think there were people who were sitting on certain items that were given to them to be given to the people, and so you realize that The NDC were using those tactics. That's why I'm saying that national coordinator guy did a poor job within the Zongo. Because when it comes to the Zongo dynamics, it's a different factor altogether. The loyalty they have for the party NDC, not even the candidate, the party
Yeah.
NDC, because of what Rawlings has done, that loyalty is still within the Zongo. And somebody was trying to, there's a difference between the Zongos and then maybe somebody coming from the Zongos is more of like a combination of different tribes who have come into the Zongo to settle. And most of the common language you see them speak mostly is Hausa. But there are other different tribes who live within there. So you realize that there are different factors that play within there, very different factors. And because of the loyalty they have. But I think Dr. Bawumia has done increasingly well when he came on the slot, because if you look at the vote from Dr. Mustafa Ahmed's time and what Dr. Bawumia had also, put within the Zongo, it's quite incredible. So with Brane Champon, I don't think that he would even pull more votes if he was the one to be on the block. He would have even gotten less than what Dr. Bawumia had gotten. So I think that going forward, for me, within the communication of the NPP, one of the things that the NDC used hardly against Dog was his speech. Some of the things he said, I think he oversaid so many things that they used and they played. I've locked the dollar, I've given it to the IGP, I've done this. In as much as I believe that Akufo-Addo was supposed to be blamed, mostly if you watch TV3 and other platforms, it was some of the things Kennedy had said, NPP for ISA, and they kept playing it over and over. That's why I'm cautioning the NPP. It is an eternal politics. Don't give NDC the weapon to attack you people in 2028. That is all I have to say. I think that if they give themselves out, the NDC will use it very well like they did in 20. And you see, lastly, NDC may have issues. NDC may have issues. But when it comes to organization, I think they are like, in terms of who speaks in the party, they listen to the command in the party than in NPP. NPP, everybody does whatever they want to do.
And Dr. Bawumia has separated the men from the boys. Hey, me say a drobian them and penny kosher was salam down. The highly powered delegation did Dr. Bawumia to wear a delegate to and Pennyfuatuturu MPs, former ministers, MMDCs, just say all the influential top guns in MPP. Did Dr. Bawumia. Hey. And at the rank and file of the people, polling station executives, Edeba constituency executives, the co-regional executives, Omunina, Dr. Bawumia, and the penny kosher, me say, and then against if we better than them. Mammy, who will comment session was a can't pay. Yes, Dr. Bawumia is the only candidate or what tangible achievements. I will bet me a so the aquatic 9. I bet 41.75% now near winning to me in 2028. Yes, or more macano, or what they have troublesome baggages or how I feel no mobile fighting baggages no, and they are corporate 50.1% they are my win in 2028, which you and I know say yeah possible. Omuntimi yeah. Dr. Bawumia is our best bet because Dr. Bawumia and they drip a drip machines obejina so they are 9% no abre. Dr. Bawumia and the agenda 111 buy obejina so they are 9% na abre. Dr. Bawumia and the one constituency one ambulance buy obejina so they are 9 abre. Dr. Bawumia onu na the paperless sport system buy obejina so they are 9 abre. Dr. Bawumia onu no the go for your policy buy obejina so they are 9 abre. Dr. Bawumia ono na di gold purchase program buy obejina so he dey akwaje 9 na brain. Dr. Bawumia ono na di gold reserve buy ne ama economy na recover obejina so no dey akwaje 9 na brain. Dr. Bawumia na di eniemu akese ba NPP ye betimi agina so dey aye campaign age 9 na ka ho ne win 2028 elections no with easy yanko starting free zero ye koye nim ye toaso mami who will comment section or I can't 9 pay. All of us we are winning with Dr. Bawumia. We are winning with Dr. Bawumia.